Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by acting now. Power off if the chassis is very hot, unplug the charger and detach peripherals to reduce load. Once cooled 5 to 10 minutes, inspect intake/exhaust vents. Use canned compressed air in short 2-3 second bursts from an angle to dislodge dust. Then boot to Windows 11 and open Task Manager. Look at processes and startup to identify CPU or GPU hogs. Disable non-essential auto start entries so background apps won't push temperatures up again. Once you've handled immediate hardware checks, tune software and firmware. Go to Settings, right arrow Windows Update, and install available updates, then use your laptop maker's update utility to refresh BIOS/EC/graphics drivers. Updated firmware often improves fan curves. Next, open Power Options. Choose Balanced or create a custom plan setting maximum CPU state to around 80 to 90% to cut peak heat. Also favor the integrated GPU when possible and disable unnecessary background apps. Finish by addressing cooling efficiency and maintenance. If temps still spike under light load, consider replacing thermal paste, especially if it's older than 3 to 4 years, or use a professional service to reapply compound and verify heat pipe contact. Make sure fan profiles are adaptive in BIOS or OEM utility, and use a stand to improve intake airflow. Monitor temps with HYNFO while stressing components. If problems persist, reseat fans and connectors, and if under warranty, contact the manufacturer or service center instead of attempting risky repairs yourself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.